and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing a recipe for Cajun shrimp pasta. This is actually a subscriber request, and you know I don't like to disappoint you guys, so I'm here today with a recipe. Here I have some jumbo shrimp that I already washed and prepped. I'll be using some linguine noodles. You can use any kind of pasta that you like. I have some heavy whipping cream, cream cheese, Colby and Jack cheese, parmesan. I'll be using some garlic, onions. I have bell peppers, butter. For the seasonings, I have black pepper, complete seasoning, Cajun seasoning, Creole seasoning, and I'll be using some parsley. So let's go ahead and season the shrimp using a few simple ingredients. I will first add some Cajun seasoning. Of course, I will not add a lot because my family don't like a lot of spicy food. So I will add just a little bit, but feel free to add as much or as little as you like. I will also add some Old Bay. You gotta have Old Bay in seafood. And I will add a little pinch of black pepper. We will mix the combine and set aside. In a pot of boiling water, I will now add some salt and we will add the pasta in here. I like to break my pasta in half, but feel free to do it the way you like. We'll give it a good stir and we'll allow this to cook. I like my pasta to be fully cooked as well. I don't like it al dente. The only way I'll cook it al dente is when I'm making stuff like macaroni and cheese and stuff, because I know it has to be cooked in the oven again. So we'll cook this until it's nice and tender, and then I'll show you guys the next step. In a preheated skillet, I did add a bit of oil, and now I'll go in with the shrimp. You want to cook the shrimp for 2 minutes on each side. It should be a total of 4 minutes. You don't want to overcook these shrimp. You want to flip them after 2 minutes and allow it to cook evenly on the other side. Once it's done, we'll remove it from the skillet and carry on with the next step. In the same skillet, we'll now add the butter, allow it to melt. Once it melts, we'll go in with the onions, garlic, and bell peppers. We'll allow those to go for about 2 minutes. Now, I did run into some issues when I was doing the recipe, and I almost did not post this recipe. I was like, wow, I missed 2 parts. I thought I hit record, but I didn't. When I hit stop, that's when it started recording. So I didn't get to show you guys 2 parts where I added some of the ingredients. And I said, you know what, I know you guys are smart and you will do just fine even with me missing those 2 parts of the recipe. I will guide you guys through. And this is the part after 2 minutes where I did actually add my seasonings. I add them in there, allow them to go for a few seconds. Then I've added my heavy cream and I add the cheese. I add the cream cheese, the Colby and Jack, also the Parmesan cheese. This is when I added them and I allow them to actually melt and allow the sauce to thicken up. Once the sauce thickens up, that's when I added my pasta and I added the shrimp. I give them a good stir and I top it off with some fresh parsley. And that's it. The recipe is simple and easy to make and it's absolutely delicious. The only parts I missed was when I've added my seasonings and the heavy cream and the cheese. That's it. That's the only part I didn't get to show you guys when I was adding it in, because you know, life happens. Stuff happens sometimes. I'm so sorry about that, but this is it. Absolutely amazing. I know you guys will enjoy this. Now let's plate this up and let me show you guys the finished product. And here you have it, my version of Cajun shrimp pasta. I did serve it up with some garlic bread and it was absolutely divine. My entire family enjoyed it. I know you guys will love this recipe. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for me. I will be leaving all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a good day and enjoy.